Do you notice how websites happen to have those little boxes that you need to tick and copy whatever they show you so that they can confirm that you aren't a robot? Well, we're sure you're familiar with them, and they're actually called CAPTCHAs. Now imagine that, and then imagine being able to earn money just by typing those CAPTCHAs down. Wouldn't that be so cool? It's making money in the easiest way possible. And as soon as we discovered this strategy, we just knew right away that we had to share it to you guys as soon as possible. Our strategy for today is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything to be able to start earning money because we are here to earn, not to spend. No investments, no advancements, nothing like that of the sort, so you don't need to worry about anything like that at all. You're going to know not one, not two, but 3 websites that will be paying you to do just that. And if you try all 3 websites out together, you're going to earn more than $25 for sure. These websites are supposed to be available worldwide, but if something does go wrong with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below. You guys know that we only want to give you the best, and this is no less than the best, and that's why we hope that you all enjoy today's video because it will definitely be a great one. Now, these websites might not make you a millionaire, but as always, it's a great way to make money on the side that could pay off your quick bills or fill you in for when you go short on cash. Imagine the life that you would be having when you're able to save up with the money that you're making on the side. If you're able to, you could go on vacations, eat fancy food, go shopping, anything you can ever wish for. As always, we're going to be walking you through today's whole method step by step so that you can come out successful just like us. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. By the way, thank you guys so much for 30,000 subscribers. We're growing, and we're growing fast. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Help us to get to 50,000, and we will do a 50,000 special for sure. So don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's get to 50,000. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first website is called 2CAPTCHA, and to get to their website, you can just type in 2CAPTCHA.com, and that should lead you to this page right here. So when you solve one CAPTCHA, it's 0.5 cents. So it's available API for most popular programming languages, and its AV response time is less than 12 seconds. And when you work on CAPTCHA recognition, there's home data entry, instant payment, and it's easy to start. So you can even choose from between the two. So the normal CAPTCHAs cost 3 cents, and the reCAPTCHAs would be cost at $1. So this is great because CAPTCHAs are so easy to type in, you can make a lot of money on the side. So to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now remember that we're giving you guys the website from the lowest paying to the highest paying one. So this next one is higher paying compared to the first one. So if you want to get to the highest paying website, then I suggest you stay until the end to find the highest paying website. Next website is called Megatypers, and to get to their website, you just need to go on type megatypers.com, and this is what you should see next. Easy job, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every single month. Now, Megatypers.com is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Our main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image to text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome internet's visual challenges. So we're currently looking for typers, which would be us, from all around the globe. All you need to do is to work with us is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. So all you need to do is to have a internet connection and a computer, of course, and then you should at least be able to type 10 words per minute. So our schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want and for as long as you please. The quicker you type, the more typer credits, which can be exchanged for a dollar currency you earn. So megatypers.com is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, people in between jobs. How much you earn actually depends on the amount of work you do. So the more work you do, the more money you earn. Our top typers earn between $100 typer credits and $250 typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000 word images typed and can go as high as up to $1.5 typer credits for each 1,000 words typed. So as typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency, we may pay through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. Now that we've mentioned that these websites are able to pay you through different methods, basically anything in the world, what would your favorite method be? If you can choose from any of the options, leave it down below. We would love to know. Now, our last and highest paying website is called Colotibablo, and to get to their website, just type in colotibablo.com, and this is what you should see on your screen. Stable job for everyone, everywhere. This website claims to be stable. It's been up to since 2007 and apparently has no plans of cutting it at that. It also claims to be accurate. You can track your entries and payments with their accurate statistics system. The website also promises liquidity, so you can instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send to another account. If you scroll down, there are some testimonials that can definitely reassure you that this website is perfect and reliable as all our other websites. So make sure that you try our method out, because if you do all three together, then this is going to be the best method of your lives yet. Do it and let us know how it goes in the comments down below, and that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.